Hi, in the previous video we looked at the basics of identifying and adding collections to your Pearltree catalog. In this video we'll briefly look at some more advanced organizational structures and then how to create your own Pearltrees if you have desire to do that. So what we did last time is I added this Pearltree, someone else's, into my space, and then I created a container for photography tutorial or for photography Pearltrees. So to me it kind of makes sense now that this shouldn't be out here by itself. Maybe it should be in a technology group. So let's do that. I'll hit the plus sign and I'll just name it technology. My collections of technology resources reside here. This time I'll choose an image. So I just threw one on my desktop there. And I will add this. Okay, so there's my technology container. And taking this GEF and Chromebooks Pearltree and loading it into there is as simple as dragging it in. So now I've got two main categories, one for technology that includes someone else's Pearltree that I tagged, and one for photography. Now note, anything that I've created can be edited. So if I go into this photography container and use the edit button, I'm going to go to customize, collection image, new image, and there's one. And after it takes a moment to upload, I can close out of there and go up a level, and you'll see that I now have a nice image on my container. Now the last thing I'd like to show you is how to create a Pearltree of yourself if this particular website is of interest to you. So to do this, I've opened up 4 different resources on photography tutorials. So to start with, I'm going to click the extension, the icon. I'm going to see that I've got these 2 things here, but I'm going to right now just add a new collection. I'm going to call this My Photography Tutorials. I can't make it private because I'm not a premium member. I would like to put that inside my photography container, although if I didn't I could move it there later. That wouldn't be a problem. Okay, and let's see how that worked. Okay, so there it is. I can go through the rest of my sites now and just simply use the button to quickly add that. Third one, photography tutorials. Fourth one, My Photography Tutorials. And once those are completed, I'll close up these windows. And you can see that I have all of my resources. If I want them ordered in a certain way, I just simply drag them around. And now it works just like the other collections you've seen. So, very simple, fast, easy to use tool. It's a great way to archive resources as well as access other people's archived resources. And there's a little more to it. There are other things that you can do and slightly more sophisticated ways you can work, but I think that gives you a good tutorial to start.